Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Story: The Father Who Wished Good Things for His Daughter. There was once a father who had a daughter and wished many good things for her. He owned many lands, which he had acquired through great sacrifice, intending to leave them to his daughter. The daughter would spend every day on the balcony of the house, gazing out at her father's lands, which stretched as far as the eye could see. The father told his daughter that upon his death, she should listen to the advice of those who kept the lands productive, so that she would not fail. When the father died, the daughter, who was stubborn and headstrong, followed only her own will. She ignored the advice of those who knew more than she did, and in a short time, she lost all the property her father had left her. Note: sacrifice for your children only to a certain limit, for after your death, they will follow their own will and may not remember the sacrifice you made to leave them property.